Do you want to know what cardio exercises to avoid after your knee replacement? If you're at that level that you're doing cardio exercises after your knee replacement, I want you to watch this video. Make sure you watch it till the end, because I will tell you and explain to you the worst exercises that I don't like to recommend to my patients after a knee replacement. And I'm going to tell you why. Hi, I'm Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. And if you find value in this video, please click on that thumbs up button. It makes a huge difference. Let's dive right into it. Now that you have recovered from your knee replacement and you did a great job in working towards being able to bend that knee, getting the strength, and now you're at that level that you can do your normal daily activities without any issues, and you're going back to your active lifestyle again. You're going back to working out. In a separate video, I shared with you what are the best cardio exercises that I recommend for my knee replacements. In this video, I'm going to share with you what are the worst ones that I don't recommend. Now, when I say the worst ones, it's not that they're really, really bad, meaning it's going to hurt you right at this point. It's not going to do that. I just don't like it is because of the long-term effect. Short-term, it can seem like they are decent workouts, but then long-term, I don't like the long-term effect. Now, what are these exercises? Get straight to the point. They are 1, the treadmill, 2, the Stairmaster, or even without those machines, running and climbing up and down stairs. Those are some common exercises that my patients get into once they have recovered from their knee replacement. Now, the reason why I don't recommend these exercises is because yes, they are going to give you a good workout, and your prosthesis, your knee replacement's not gonna break at this point. But then long term, because it introduces that pounding over and over and over again. When you do running, you have that pounding, which is more than your regular walking. And if you do your Stairmaster, you have that pounding also going up and down those stairs. And prolonged, repeated activities such as those can wear out your prosthesis more prematurely compared to if you avoid those and use those other cardio exercises that I recommended in the long term. As we have more advancements in modern medicine, people are living longer. And yes, the prosthesis lifespan is a lot longer than it used to be before, because when I first started practicing 20-something years ago, it used to be just rated 10-15 years. Now prostheses are rated up to 25 years. But that's if you take care of them. If you don't take care of them and you keep introducing pounding, that can be less. And as people live longer, as we get older, you don't want to shorten the lifespan of your prosthesis, because then you're increasing the chance of you having another knee replacement again. And as you have more knee replacements, just like any other surgery, the more surgeries you have, the worse the prognosis is, the worse the outcome will be. And that's why for me, I'm all for prolonging the life of that prosthesis. If it can go longer than 25, that lessens the chance of you having a knee replacement again. If you had it at 50, at 75, 80 years old, chances are you'll still be alive. But if you can prolong that, then there's a better chance that you may not have to go through another knee replacement. Compared to if you had it at 50 and the lifespan only lasts you, the lifespan of that prosthesis only goes for 15 years, 65, or 20 years, 70, you more likely will still be alive at then, and then what will happen is you will need another knee replacement. There you have it. The cardio exercises that I don't recommend for my patients who had knee replacement. Don't get me wrong, those cardio exercises, the treadmill, running, or Stairmaster, or climbing stairs, they're not going to break your knee right now. I just don't like the fact that they shorten the lifespan of your prosthesis, especially combined that people are getting older or people are living longer. I just don't like those two combinations. So that's why I don't recommend them for my patients who had knee replacements, because there are other better exercises out there. There you have it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you found value in my advice. I hope you can share this with other people who have knee replacements so that they can be guided also once they hit that level. You guys have worked so hard to recover from your knee replacement, and it will be to your best interest to prolong the life of that prosthesis as much as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification so that you can get alerted once our new video comes out every week, sharing more tips on knee replacements, on the recovery, and also other helpful tips on how to get healthy and pain-free. I'll see you on the next video. For the meantime, let's go watch this one.